Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am English teacher of class 7. Today I am going to teach about the topic simple future passive voice. First of all, I want to clarify the word passive voice. What is passive voice? Passive voice is the voice that denote or indicate the action in which all stress laid upon object. In the passive voice, the subject is not mentioned. If subject is mentioned, it is placed at the end. And the third form of the verb is used in the passive voice. The after third form, by is used before subject. And the subjective and the objective case of the subject is used in the passive voice. Now coming towards our main topic, that is simple future passive voice. We use simple future passive voice when we talk about the future plans that happened in future, that has not happened in present and past, but expected to be happened in future. So we use simple future tense or passive voice to describe an action in the future. Now let us understand the formation of the simple future passive voice. First of all, in the active voice we write subject, then we use the helping verb will and shall. Here I want to clarify one thing, that in the modern English shall is not used. We use will for all the subject, whatever the pronoun is. So after the helping verb we use first form, and at the end we use object for the active voice. When we convert active voice into passive voice, first of all we write object, then will and shall, that is a helping verb of the future passive voice. Then we use be, and the third form of the verb we used, and by is used before the subject, and objective case is used of the subject. Now I have written some examples for a little bit practice. He will buy a book. He will buy a book. Here we first of all we write a book. A book will be bought by him. We use third form of the verb. By is the first form that we use in the active voice, but we use the third form in the passive voice. And by is used before the subject, and him is the objective case of the subject. And when we want to make negative sentence, we use not before helping verb. A book will not be bought by him. We have to put not before be and after helping verb will. For making interrogative sentence, we put will in the beginning of the sentence. Will a book be bought by him? And don't forget putting the question mark at the end. The second example is they will play football. Football is the object, but when we convert it into passive voice, football become an subject. Football will be played by them. Played is the third form that we used in the passive voice, and by is used before subject or objective case of the subject. And third example is we shall catch a ball. A ball will be caught by us. A ball is the object in the active voice, but it became an subject in the passive voice. A ball will become caught by us. Thank you. Allah.